Today we'll take a look at the recuperative system of your Porsche Macan. Recovering energy while driving, that is the gist of the recuperative system. In other words, while you are on the road, your vehicle can transform kinetic energy into electrical energy and stores that into the high voltage battery of your car. That being said, since it is electrical energy that is being regained, the recuperative braking system is limited to the electrical and hybrid vehicles. There are different ways to recover energy through recuperation, so let's dive into it. The recuperation power of your vehicle can be seen in the instrument cluster. In the power meter view at the center, the current electric drive power as well as the current recuperation power are displayed. Recuperation shows you the amount of energy that is being recovered to the battery, while the power meter displays the power of the battery that is being used. If the recuperation and the power meter are not shown to you, simply press the rotary knob on your steering wheel for a few seconds and you have the option to switch this view on or off. Let's focus on brake recuperation, a system that is always active when you are driving your vehicle. With this function, your car automatically regenerates electrical energy when you hit the brake pedal to reduce speed. The motors do not drive the wheels, but work in reverse, slowing the vehicle down and simultaneously generating electricity. And this recharges the battery and in turn enhances the vehicle's range. On the road, you accelerate your car. But the time will come where you have to stop accelerating, and that is when sailing happens. It means that your car is rolling without any braking effect. You can compare sailing to vehicles with clutches. When pushing the clutch all the way down, the vehicle is also rolling without any braking effect from the engine. Now, let's talk about overrun recuperation. This function can be set up by you as it does not happen automatically. In the PCM, simply click on Car, and in the Drive menu you can find the recuperation icon on the bottom right corner. By clicking on the icon, Overrun Recuperation will be activated and shown on the instrument cluster. Alternatively, you can use the Joker key for quick access. To set up the Joker key on your steering wheel, simply press the button for a longer period of time and the PCM will show a range of options you can use. Then choose Recuperation and your quick access is all set up. To switch the overrun recuperation on and off, simply press the Joker key briefly. With overrun recuperation activated, the sailing mode is deactivated. So, when you take your foot off the accelerator pedal, the car will brake slightly and you will notice a small reduction of speed. Through this braking effect, electrical energy is gained. While driving, you are now ready to actively recover energy. If you are interested in getting to know your vehicle on a deeper level, feel free to watch our other Spot On videos and check out our YouTube Spot On playlist.